Hey there, my name is Daniel Scott, and together we're going to learn how to build responsive websites. You'll build modern professional websites that look good on mobile, on tablet, and on desktop. Now you're going to learn everything you need to create a website, starting at your very first page all the way through to uploading it to the internet. We're going to use the world's most popular and surprisingly free web design tool called Visual Studio Code. There are downloadable exercise files so that you can follow along with me in every video. At the end of each video as well, I'll save where I'm up to so that in case you get lost or something's not quite right, you can compare your files with my files. It's a nice, easy way to make sure you don't get lost. Throughout the course, I set some fun class projects so that you can practice everything you're learning in the course. By the end of this course, you're gonna have a really good understanding of the important web design topics like HTML5, CSS3, Flexbox, responsive design, Bootstrap. If that all sounds a bit scary and a little bit fancy, don't worry, this course is aimed at complete beginners. So you don't need any experience in web design. You don't need to have coded a single line in your whole life. Okay, we're gonna start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step. So who am I? My name is Daniel Scott and I've been a web designer for about 15 years now. I'm also an award-winning instructor. For the last 2 years in a row, I've won a Max Masters Award at the massive Adobe Max conference. I also have red glasses and a cool t-shirt. I'm pretty sure just this combination on its own should make me qualified. If you're finally ready to upgrade yourself, sign up for the course and let's build responsive websites together.